In this modern time, they still survive by hunting and gathering. In this video, we will see how they hunt a baboon, how they share it, cook it, and eat it. This is simply a story of their raw life, nature, and survival. Among tribal communities, they stand out as a truly unique group. Their way of life under the moonlight is nothing short of astonishing. They are getting ready for the hunt. This is how they craft their arrows by hand. Their main hunting companions are the dogs. These dogs help identify prey using their strong sense of smell. In ancient times, humans survived solely by hunting animals. They had no other choice because they did not know how to farm. Amazingly, even in this modern age of AI, the Hadza remain a tribe that depends entirely on hunting. They live around Lake Yashi and the plains of the Serengeti in Tanzania, Africa. Their favorite food is the baboon. At the tip of their arrows, they attach sharp iron heads. To make an arrow fly fast and hit the target straight, it must be perfectly straight. So they straighten it with their teeth. At the back of the arrow, they attach bird feathers, which help the arrow fly straight and true. They have learned all of this from their ancestors. While people in modern cities wake up and go to work, some to offices, some to run businesses, the Hadza wake up each morning and go hunting. This is their job. They do it in groups because without hunting, they won't have food. They have spotted a bird in the tree. One of them is about to shoot an arrow at it. They are incredibly skilled at aiming and releasing arrows. The arrow is released, but the bird flies away. The bird sensed the danger. Look, there's another bird on the branch. The arrow hit its body, but perhaps not deep enough. Now they have found baboon footprints. They must move quickly, or the baboon might escape. They are running as if their lives depend on it. They are desperate to make this hunt successful. 4 or 5 of them enter the jungle together, getting ready to strike the baboon with arrows. The baboon is hit. Now it's time to catch it. Though slightly injured, it must be caught quickly. The arrow hit the baboon well. It's badly wounded and lying still. To climb tall trees, they fix small branches into the trunk like steps, so they can easily reach the top. The injured baboon is now lying on the tree. It must be brought down. In Tanzania, Africa, ancient trees like these, thousands of years old, are a common sight. They have successfully hunted a baboon and another common monkey with their arrows. Both animals have died and fallen onto the tree branches. Now they are bringing down the baboon and the monkey from the tree. They have caught a very large baboon. This is the one they will now cook and eat. One of them begins describing how they hunt. Along with the baboon, they have also hunted some smaller animals. The hunt is over. Now they begin preparing for the cooking. To do that, they are gathering dry branches for firewood. With a sharp knife, they start skinning the baboon. Their loyal dogs wait eagerly, watching intently, hungry for a taste of the baboon meat. They have fun like these together after hunting, both young and old. During the recent hunt, several arrows were lost, so they now have to make new ones for the next hunt. Using a sharp knife, this is how they craft their arrows. The baboon is being barbecued directly over the fire. No salt, no chili, no spices at all, just raw cooking. That's how they like to eat it. Once the cooking is done, they start tearing apart the baboon meat and eating it. They don't really like spicy food, skins, or even salt. They prefer raw food the most. Baboon is their absolute favorite. When they get a baboon, they go crazy with excitement. They especially love the back meat of the baboon. These hunted animals fulfill the protein deficiency in their bodies. And this is how their life has continued, year after year, for generations. They still hold on to a culture that dates back thousands of years. They rely entirely on hunting for survival, but the grasp of modern civilization has taken over much of their land. As nearby forests are cleared, their way of life is under serious threat. Friends, how did you like today's hunting video and their naturally cooked food? Let us know in the comment below. If you love nature and the raw, tribal way of life, then subscribing to our channel might just be the best idea for you.